The list copy method returns a shallow copy of a list in Python. Just a front-loaded warning right now, this is more of an intermediate level video, so if you're not familiar with memory addresses and pointers in programming, this video is not for you. Let's give ourselves a list A that holds the elements 1, 2, and 3. After that, if we write the line B equals A, what that line means is store in the variable B the memory address of A. If we then did B index 0 equals 5, then looked at A, you would see that A changed, even though it seems like we didn't change A at all, but we did. When we changed B, we were actually just operating on memory shared between A and B, so changing B changed A. The reverse would be true as well. I'll give you what is a bit of a confusing example first. If we again did A equals the list containing 1, 2, and 3, then did that B equals A.copy, we would be saying that in B is a shallow copy of the list A. When we do B index 0 equals 5, then look at A is unchanged. This is because B is now not sharing memory with A. B has a list of the memory addresses of the 3 integers, and A has the same list of the memory addresses of the 3 integers, but in a different place in memory. So changing B does not change A. But now for the seemingly confusing part, I led in with the fact that the copy method returns a shallow copy. What gives then? This copy seems pretty deep to me, and like we've gotten around the shared memory problem from the first example. I'm getting to that. For our next example, A is the list containing 1. So, a nested list. Meaning what is at A's memory address is the address at which the list containing 1 is stored. For our next step, if we did B equals A.copy, B would have its own memory address, but the information at that memory address would still be the address at which the same list from A is being stored. So because of a double pointer of sorts, you are back to the first example of shared memory and changing A, also changing B. If you want to solve this issue, from copy, import deep copy. But this is not a video about deep copy, so that is all I will say on deep copy in this video. Like and subscribe to learn more.